How does it feel? एक बार जरा खड्डे में जाके देखो ना. Go straight now. Open up the engine, but make sure you don't open up the airbags.
But I need to eat something. At least one vada pav or samosa. Yeah, vada pav खाते हैं. Vada pav है क्या इधर? Yeah, can you somebody go quickly get one samosa or vada pav or something? I want a samosa. I don't want pav. He's going to the Chinese joint. I don't know how will you get vada pav in a Chinese joint.
When you will buy a car, na, we'll go to a big khadda there. Wrong side से overtake. ध्यान से देखिए इसको. People overtake from the wrong side and they give you looks. So only bikers will overtake from the wrong side. We'll go to pagoda. We'll have pakoda. देख के भाई.
I get butterflies in my stomach very fast.
So we're back inside now, and Abhishek has decided to take us through the most congested road, probably to understand how the car feels in congestion and in narrow bylanes. Meanwhile, Abhishek, you could probably talk about your experience inside the car.
As I've stated earlier, there's enough leg space here, and as you can see, I mean, I don't know whether you all will be able to make out or not, but these people have taken their chairs pretty behind, and still I can sit comfortably. As far as interiors are concerned, really sleek look, gives a sporty feel inside.
I'm very happy with the way the steering feels in slow speed. Suspension feels good. That's a good part. I mean, I just went over a speed breaker and I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, but we didn't have too much of a jerk. I'm comfortably seated, though I would like to sit lower, which I'm just trying to do. So it's got that feature as well, where you can sit low.
Yeah, you probably would want a seat warmer also.
Narrow lanes are pretty bad, but no complaints. The car feels fairly good. There's no knocking. Right now I'm doing third gear. Let me see if I can keep moving on without downshifting. There we go. We can. I like the horn. The way the horn is fitted on the steering, it's very, very comfortable. But sometimes I hold the steering down. So I would have preferred something here. I'm just nitpicking here, but I would have been happy having one spot over here as well. What is most glaring to me, and again unacceptable, are these switches over here. I don't know why have they given this. I mean, this also is totally
uncool for you.
Yeah.
But you can use this, no? For unlocking and locking.
Yeah, so then why do you have this? See, look, when I'm turning like this, if I want to honk, my hands come over here. Now I don't have anything to honk over here. So that's why I'm saying this would have been practical enough for me. So again, I mean, it's a small minor thing, not picking too much. So good part is most of the time I was driving in the second gear, so we didn't have to really go to the first gear, even though the lanes were quite narrow. And another thing is they've given that footrest on the left, where, you know, in case you're tired and you don't want to keep your foot, which is advisable not to keep your foot on the clutch, because your clutch will start getting spoiled. It'll get a play.
What do you think of the shock absorbers?
It's good. I mean, suspensions are good.
Yeah, suspensions feel good. As an suspensions are good. Looking at the this being an entry level hatch, good suspension as compared to that.
And this is also a nice touch, you know, bringing in a spot of yellow inside. And another thing what I noticed is, I don't know if you can keep a bottle over here on the side. There's no provision for a bottle or a cup holder here. There's something over here. I don't know if the glass will fit. Do you have something behind for you? That's really bad. I mean, that's the bare minimum. I mean, you should at least have something in the front. I understand they've given some speakers over here. I don't know what these are. What, Harman?
Yeah, Harman.
Go to the radio.
Just a minute. What I'll do is I'll connect my phone.
It's not jarring, so the speakers are good. Alright, so Animesh has given me the free hand now to open up the engine. So let's see how quickly the car can reach 6000 RPM.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go for 6000 RPM. Starting off second gear, I've almost floored the accelerator. Hoping that the car will reach 6000 RPM in some time. I need to look forward. Here it goes. 5000. Too much noise, but bringing a smile to my face. So almost 6000 RPM.
And butterflies to my stomach.
Okay, so now I'll drive, huh?
Keep it on the speedometer.
I've floored it, huh? Yeah, it cut off. 6000 RPM it cut off.
See, that's what.
But most of the cars cut off in 6000 RPM. Oh, this is a good stretch. Let's see if it touches 120. Not bad. Third gear 115.
115.
Yeah.
So around it should touch 120.
So 120 is your 6000 RPM mark again. See, now you will suddenly feel at 6000 RPM it will just stop. It's just pop, that's it.
That's what it shows red also.
Yeah. But it's okay, it's fun. I mean, I for this price range, it's okay. I mean, it's good enough.
You can't ask for more.
Yeah, I agree. I'm just relying purely on the camera.
Yes, please rely on that. So we can see that there is a bike which is there. So now we have to avoid hitting it. Take it.
You have to tell me, huh? I'll bang it otherwise.
नहीं चलो चलो.
No,
Keep
you
on.
won't.
Keep on going.
It will give you that. Okay, see, it turned red. That's it. That's it.
No, this is green. You can go further. See, now it will turn.
Beep gets. So I can go a little more.
Yes, you can go a little more. And that's it. Now, if you want, you can pull the handbrake and go and see how
The
close
distance.
the actual distance. Then. Actually, there's a lot of distance.
I could have come a little more.
Yeah. What do you feel about the inside cabin noise or isolation from the outside noise?
Honestly, I didn't pay attention, which means it should be good.
Because we've been into traffic, heavy traffic.
Yeah, so if I didn't pay attention, otherwise it would have been glaring. It would have definitely prompted one of us to talk about it. So we've not spoken about it, which means the cabin sound or the interiors is good. It's quite insulated.
A lot of people ask questions about the NVH levels and gear vibrations and all. So NVH stands for noise, vibration and harshness. So if the car has a lot of vibrations, things either are good right now, may become loose later on.
वो तो यार अभी थोड़े दिन बाद ही पता चलेगा.
Harsh.
It also depends on how well you drive. If your driving is proper in the right gear ratios and gears, you will not feel any vibration anywhere unless until there is fundamentally something wrong with the engine.
So that's it for today. I hope you guys would have liked the video.
As much as fun we had making it,
Yeah, as much as we enjoyed making the video, I hope you all also liked the video, and well, it was really nice.
on the whole, I think the car exteriors are good. I'm still irritated about the key part for opening the boot.
Yeah, that we'll always have that's a discussion for another day.
Yeah. Otherwise, I think the car feels fine. The car drives fine. I won't say it's great, but for the segment it is in, I think it's fair.
It's definitely, it gives you more than the money that you're paying for.
Oh, that's what Tata cars are. Tata cars are always value for money.
Exactly.
This is my first car. I don't have that much of experience here. Obviously, I've put in money and I have no complaints as such. The look and feel either from outside or from inside, both feels good.
अभी तक जितना तूने पैसे खर्चा किए, you feel it's a good buy.
Yes, that's a good buy. मेरे 7 लाख के अंदर अगर आप बोलोगे, so I think it is doing a fair job.
Crash test maybe this car has got a 4 rating, which is very good.
Correct.
So it covers the safety, it covers the interiors are really good, and obviously it's a good looking car, yeah.
Yup, and the color is good.
So with that, let's end this video over here.
Yes.
And, we have just made a small attempt, and do let us know in the comment section whether you like this video or not like the video. I believe this will go in parts because this will be a long video. So few of the parts might have an abrupt ending to it. So please bear with us. We're just trying to experiment something, trying to bring in something new to the channel. So until next time,
Ciao.
stay safe and stay at home.
Bye.